In the heart of the Red Sea, a U.S. Navy destroyer found itself facing a dire threat, a Houthi anti-ship cruise missile racing towards its hull. What ensued was a breathtaking encounter that put one of the Navy's last lines of defense to the ultimate test. The Arleigh Burke-class destroyer USS Gravely stood firm against the incoming missile, relying not on its long-range weapons, but on a weapon of last resort, the Make-15 Phalanx close-in weapon system. For over 40 years, the Phalanx had stood vigilant, its purpose clear to intercept threats that breached the ship's outer defenses. And in this critical moment, it proved its worth, downing the missile mere moments from impact. But the Phalanx's legacy traces back to a time when naval warfare was vastly different. Gone were the days of massive anti-aircraft gun batteries. Instead, radar and automation paved the way for a new era of defense. Armed with a Gatling gun, a Q-band radar, and advanced targeting systems, the Phalanx became the Navy's silent sentinel, automatically engaging threats with precision and speed. As the radar detected incoming missiles, the Phalanx sprang into action, unleashing a storm of 20 shells to intercept the threat, buying precious seconds for the ship and its crew. Despite its decades of service, the Phalanx had never tasted victory in combat until now. Its first successful intercept marked a milestone in naval warfare, a testament to its reliability and effectiveness. Yet, questions lingered about the USS Gravely's encounter. Had the ship's primary defenses faltered? Or had the Phalanx simply proven its mettle against an unforeseen threat? Regardless of the circumstances, one thing remained clear: the Phalanx had prevailed when all else seemed lost, safeguarding the lives of those who relied on it. In the tumultuous seas of modern warfare, the Phalanx stands as a stalwart guardian, a beacon of hope for sailors facing the storm.